ikaw, kung may wishlist ka na GM na gusto makausap dito, sino?
Oh, that's a good one. Kasi, I never formed a list kasi they never talk to me. Dati si
Yung,
kinakausap ko yan palagi, si Jolas sa
so,
TNT.
yung wishlist nga, sino gusto mo wishlist?
Oh,
One,
si
kahit isa lang or two?
Jolas, and then, I don't know if he is team manager, pero siya yung nagde-decide ng San Miguel at saka Ginebra. Si Al Francis Chua,
Ah,
di ba?
pwede. Yeah, yeah,
Team
maraming
official.
manonood yan.
Maganda yon. You can actually, you know, kasi binabash si sometimes binabash si Al Francis Chua na, nag-aano ng mga unfair trades, nagpapalakad ng mga ganito, ganon. But,
Mm.
to me, that's also unfair, no? Kasi his job is to make his teams better.
Mm.
And that's what he's doing. So in the eyes of many, sabi, unfair